Hello guys, this is GPProdutions, and this is my second time recording this, so let's just get on with the whole thingamajig. So today I'm doing a part 1 of a series I'm going to be starting about HTML coding and CSS coding. Mostly HTML for beginners or people who just want to make a quick basic website. And because I'm 13 and I'm not aware of all that stuff, so I'm not very educated in the world of graphic design, so yeah, so let's just close Cam Studio, and then we'll go to Notepad. Yes, I said Notepad. If you do not have Notepad, Macs have text editor, I think, and I think that will work. I don't know though. I don't have a Mac. I have a PC. So HTML is a series of codes and tags that tell your internet browser what to show, like basically. Every single website on the World Wide Web has HTML or CSS codes. In fact, you can go to any website and go to Google and then go to right-click, view source. It comes up with this weird page that's showing you about Google. Here's Google's this is very advanced CSS, but still that's Google stuff. So yeah, even though Google still does use basic HTML links, as you can see, but yeah. So the first tag that every single HTML web page has to have is the HTML tag. So what you're gonna do is type in little bracket thing, HTML bracket, and then type another bracket, and then / HTML. The / is indicating that you're closing the tag, ending what you want to end. After that, you're going to go back to the middle, and then hold enter to down there. So you're going to go back to the top, right under HTML, and then type in the head tag. This is the head. This is the actual this is the basics of your website. This is important. So we can do enter title, and then type in the title. Let's just say this is a HTML website, and then that's there. So we're going to close the title tag, and then now that's good. Let's go to File, Save As, and we'll do index.html. .html. And you're going to do all files. And I already have a file dedicated to HTML coding, so I'm just going to save it there. So I very highly suggest you create a folder. Actually, you have to basically create a folder on your desktop or somewhere in your computer that's easy to access where you can save these files. So save that. We'll go to our file, and we'll click on our file, and then it'll take us to this page. Oh, well, that's from earlier. Here, let's save it as something else. Save as inde.html, and then save. Oh, failure. Yeah, now that we have that, we'll go to that, and we'll do indie, and it'll come to this little blank site. As you can see, it says this is an HTML website as we titled it, and that's the basic meta tags type thing. I'll show you meta tags in the description in the next video, and I'm sorry it's late and I have a cold, so we're gonna press enter and do body and then body BG color, body background color equals quotations. For this purposes, let's just do purple, and then press quotations, and then close that, then file, save, refresh, and you should see a giant purple page. very simple. And now you probably want to add text to your website. Most of the time, these are for simple companies or churches or just random sites that want to give you information. Never a basic HTML site you rarely see for a company selling products, considering it's hard to accomplish in HTML and CSS. But as I said, all uh, products, websites are made in HTML. But there's certain programs like Adobe Dreamweaver and Eversoft First Page that help you achieve these HTML codes. So we're gonna press enter, and we're gonna pick a header for our page. So we'll do bracket h1 close, and we'll type in this is our first website. Then we'll close the h1, and now that that's that, we'll go file, save, go to our internet browser where we have saved this, and then this should be there. Very bold font. Well, see, I made my settings in my default browser to where every simple text is the font impact, but in this it will either show up Times New Roman or Arial font. Usually Arial font, depends on what your computer is. But I just wanted to tell you guys that, so if it doesn't look like that, you don't freak out. So now we're going to want to put that center, right? So we're going to close that and do h1 align equals quotations center, and then close that. And then now that we have that, we'll do file, save. We'll go into our internet browser and then refresh, and it should be in the center. So now you probably want to put text in your website. So we're just going to do the P tag, giving us the signal that we want to write a paragraph. So hence the name P tag. P. Anyway, so we're going to type in welcome to our first HTML website. I'll close the P tag with the /, and file, save, refresh, and you should have text at the right side of your page. Now you can add just paragraphs and paragraphs of writing. So let's say we want to link our first website. So we'll go right in front of our, and we'll do bracket a href or href equals quotations http :/twice www.youtube.com, and we'll close that. Add quotations at the end. Close that, and we'll go before the np tag, and we'll do /a href, or you can do /a, but I just like doing it like that because it's going to be right. So let's go to save, internet browser, and we'll refresh that. And see, our link is in purple, so you can't see it, but as you can see, I pressed it, and it takes you to youtube.com. So yeah, this is the end of the first tutorial series by GPProdutions. And remember, if we don't make it, it's crap.